Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set app lock on OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on the setting. After you have been moved on setting, you just click here on the search option. And here you have to search for the app lock. Okay, so here's the app lock. Just move on it. After you have been moved on the app lock, here you have to confirm the password. When you confirm the password, here you are going to find the app lock. So just move on the app lock. Okay, when you move on app lock, if you want to set the app lock, you just click on this icon like this. The app lock will be set successfully. See, you just need to turn on these devices. Okay, if you don't know how to set the app lock, you just need to move on app lock and draw the pattern, confirm the pattern. After that, you are going to find this settings. Okay, and if you want to remove the apps from the app lock, you just click on this icon. The app lock will be removed like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.